10.8. I'm really nervous, aren't you? 10.8, surface area and volume of prisms. I can find surface area and volume of prisms is what we're doing. I'll take care of that today. Surface area. What kind of shape must you have in order for surface area to be calculated? Hello? Oh, everybody, sorry. A 3D shape. It has to have depth to it. It has to be a 3D shape. Triangular prism is a 3D shape with a triangle base and faces that are all what?
Rectangle.
A rectangular prism has what kind of base? A rectangular prism has what kind of base?
Rectangle.
It has a rectangle base, and what kind of faces does it have?
Rectangle.
Any prism has what kind of face?
Rectangle.
All prisms have rectangular faces. Prisms are named by the shape of their
Base.
base. Wonderful. Volume would be the amount of space inside of an object, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. What does this mean? Number 5, formula equals capital B times H. Formula equals capital B times H. What does that mean, Lily?
Capital B stands for the area of the base.
So a capital B, anytime you see a capital B in mathematics, when it involves a formula, it means the area of the base. And then your H is going to be height. That's why I gave you a little key below the formula. And then surface area, somebody explain to me how you calculate surface area of any 3D shape. Alexis. The sum of the area of all of the faces, right? So you take up every single side and add it together. Okay? Got it? Okay, and I want to go to, if I can find it here, I would like to go to a problem like this, what you guys did in your notes, and I just want to quickly do it. I'm going to go to number 2, or the second problem down here. Surface area. We are going to calculate the surface area. We are going to calculate the area of the front of this shape, which is what, you guys?
48 inches.
48 inches squared. And if that is the area of the front of the shape, what's the area of the back of the shape?
Same thing.
So it's going to be 48 inches squared, right?
Yep.
Now I want to calculate the area of this side. What is it going to be?
8 inches squared.
Base times height, it's going to be 8 inches squared. So we've got 8 inches squared, and are we going to have 2 of those?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have to do the top and the bottom. What is the area of those going to be?
24 inches squared.
2 times 12, which is 24 inches squared, 24 inches squared. And for surface area, we add all of these up, yes or no?
Yeah.
And what is 48 plus 48 plus 8 plus 8 plus 24 plus 24? The answer is?
160 inches squared.
We said the answer was 160 inches squared. We got that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to get rid of all of that data, and now we're going to do volume. Volume is capital B times H. What does capital B stand for again?
Area of the base.
Area of the base. So what is the base? Somebody come up here really quick. Run, Nate. Shade in the base. What do you want to use for the base? So he's going to use that. Can he use that for a base?
Yes.
Could there be other bases?
Yes.
Yes, but we're going to use that. So the area, I'm thinking, Nate, the area of the base is going to be 2 times 12. So what's 2 times 12? 24. We don't care yet. What's the height going to be then? 4. The height's going to be 4. So if this is one of our bases, the other one's down here. The distance between them is the height, which is a 4. What's 2 times 12 again?
24.
What's 24 times 4?
96.
What's my label?
Inches cubed.
Inches cubed. Okay, you got it? Last one. Pythagorean theorem. Do we know how to do it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to skip over calculating the volume for a triangular prism. Don't forget, though, that when you're calculating the area of a triangle, it's base times height divided by 2. In order to find the length of this third side, to find surface area, we do a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? Somebody tell me what a squared is.
8.
8 squared, right? We're going to use this as our a. What do we use for our b?
6.
What's 8 squared?
64.
What's 6 squared?
36.
What's 64 plus 36?
100.
If 100 equals c squared, what times what equals 100?
10.
So I now know that my third side of a triangle is 10. Okay, so I'm going to write that a little bit neater. This is a 10. Can I now calculate surface area?
Yes.
Yes, I can calculate surface area of that shape because I know that I do the area of that triangle, the one behind it, back in here. Then I do the area of my rectangle. Yes, no? The area of my second rectangle, yes or no? And the area of my third rectangle, yes or no? Add them all up, and I forgot what the answer was. You guys have that? Where I'm not actually going to do it to save us some time. Add them all up, and you got what?
96 meters.
96 meters squared equals the surface area of that shape. Easy schmeezy, right? Good luck.